Hi guys, we received these 2-pack of outdoor wall lights for reviewing purposes. I think they are gonna be really nice. They've come really well protected with lots of foam. Here we got the instructions, some gloves so we can make the installation, all the things you need to install them, and these are the main units. Okay, let me take it out of the box. So you can see it has this glass fixture, which is really nice, which you can take it out so you can place the light bulb. And in here we got the installation parts. Okay, let me take the other one, and here it is. I think it's really nice because they both are made for the outdoors, which means that they are weather resistant, rust resistant, and corrosion resistant, which I think it's perfect for using it where you want to place it outdoors, in front of your house, in your backyard, in your barn, where you want to place them. I think they're gonna look really nice. So let's go ahead and install it. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, I've already installed them. I think they both look really nice. I placed these neutral white light bulbs, which I think they give a little really good look to them. And as you can see, they were really easy to install them, and they are really beautiful. They are weatherproof and rust proof, as I've said. So I will really recommend them. They're really nice. See you.